But something in the window, it caught my eye. I just couldn't help but stare. I was drooling everywhere. It was the nicest pair of boots that I'd seen anywhere. So I woke up the next morning, happy as could be. I made my way back to the store, just my wallet and me. As I ran into the store, I fell straight to my knees, and I picked up those old boots in the window that I'd seen. I remember when I put them on, something came over me. Everyone that I walk by says they're a sight to see. When people ask about my shoes, well, here's what I say. Now these boots are gonna make me famous someday. I said these boots are gonna make me famous someday.